Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my warm reviews, which I felt like I have not done in quite a while, and I kind of wanted to just do them because I feel like I've got a good amount and I don't want these to be too long. I feel like they get a little long and then I'm just like, eh. So we are going to go ahead and just start. The first thing I melted was Rose Curls Monster Cookie. I am trying really hard to make a dent in my mini melters. I wanted to warm this one on its own because I don't think I've ever just warmed it by itself. So I went ahead and just did it. It's brown sugar, sweet creamy butter, pure Madagascar vanilla. This is a great blender. It's a great cookie scent. It's just one of those cookie scents that I think is a little bit different than like your sugar cookies of the world. So that one did really well on its own. But I had something else in here that I should have blended it with. Let me see if I can find it really fast. Oh yeah, here it is. So I actually ended up finishing a bag of Bananas Foster, Ooey Gooey Caramel, and Waffle Cone. I didn't love this one particularly on its own. I actually ended up mixing it with a laundry scent, which I know sounds really strange, but it actually worked. And I should have mixed it with Monster Cookie as well. That would have been a great idea. I think it would have been really good together, but I didn't. I don't really know what I didn't like about this one. I think maybe it just had too much caramel in it. I mixed with Sugar and Spice Snuggle, which I have in here and I'll get to it in a second. But it wasn't bad. I feel like the Snuggle was probably the more dominant note, but this one it didn't make an impression on me or whatever. So this one I warmed quite a while ago, so I can't really remember the strength and throw, but I sounded just like Christy when I said strength and throw. Sorry, Christy. I just watch all your videos. Snuggle was stronger, which I kind of expected because Sugar and Spice is, you know, pretty strong anyway. So this one, another mini melter. I almost said beauty blender. Mini melter bag in Dunk My Donut. So this one was sweet buttery glazed cinnamon donuts. I feel like this was like a medium high throw, but I didn't love this one. It was too cinnamony for me, which was a surprise. I've had Dunk My Donut before and I do like it, but I am definitely going to need to mix it with a lot of blending type scents because it was too cinnamony for me. So I'm gonna have to definitely like tone it down. I can't remember, someone wanted me to warm this, or I don't know, for some reason I pulled this one out to warm it. I can't remember why. Lemon Cotton Candy Ice Cream Cake. So this one is a very medium thrower. It's not strong to me at all. I remember Angie had said she loved this one, and this is what caused me to buy it. It's Lemon Cotton Candy Ice Cream Cake, Sicilian Lemon Cookie, Cotton Candy Frosting, or Cream Cheese Frosting, I'm not sure, Vanilla Ice Cream, and Pie Crust. I'm going to try this one again and see if I can't get better results with it. I mean, I like it. It's not too lemony. I remember when I smelled it on cold, I was just like, I don't know about this one. I didn't like love it, but on warm, it was a little bit better. I do need to warm it again just to kind of make more opinions about it, but I really feel like it was kind of like on the lower end of scent throw spectrum. Also, I did a little bit of Here Comes the Sun. I have these Blossom bars, I think they're called. I'm forgetting right now. I think this is blackberry, saltwater taffy, and orange sherbet. I don't have the scent description on the back of this one. I don't know why. I think that's the scent description. This one smelled like kind of like an orange Julius to me. That's mostly what it smelled like on warm. You could get a little bit of the saltwater taffy. The blackberry wasn't overly dominant, so that was good. I'm not loving like blackberry that much on its own. So this one from Empire Alchemy, I absolutely adore this scent. Yellow Polka Dot Bikini. This is probably a favorite from the week for sure. One that I have repurchased and I have coming, I think, maybe in a pre-order and a custom. I think I might have like 3 bags of this coming, but that's fine. This is Beachy Coconut, Sweet Pear, and Tide Laundry. This smells amazing. This is like the coconut of your dreams is what I would say. I don't really know like how much the pear played a part or how much the Tide did, but I just know I warmed the sample in my bathroom and I was loving it. So if you like that kind of coconutty scent and you want a little something different, this is one I would definitely try. And it was a strong thrower. I felt like it went for a long time as well. Rose Girls Plum Pomegranate and Vanilla Lace. This is another favorite. Candy and I believe we did a loaf swap, or I bought a loaf from her in this scent, and I was like, gosh. I remember I was like, I really want to buy your lot, but I don't love pomegranate scents. And I remember I ended up buying it anyways, and I ended up loving this blend. I don't like plum, I don't like pomegranate, but for some reason, this just worked for me. So that's why sometimes it's good to take a chance on something you think you may not love. This was definitely one of those that I just really liked. It's sweetened up by that vanilla lace, which I think makes it a little more creamy, a little bit more doable for me. I don't remember the scent throw, except I feel like it was probably more like a medium, probably leaning more on like the strong side, but not like super strong, which was fine for that kind of scent. I also think Angie has mentioned the Circus Concession from Rose Girls to me. I feel like she has said this is her favorite Circus Concession. I like Bathing Garden Clowning Around the best. This would be a good second pick for me though. I don't know what exactly the scent notes are in here, but I feel like it's pretty good as far as the Circus Concession. I want to mix it with something, but I'm not sure what yet. But it does smell pretty good on its own. So if you like Circus Concession blends, I would definitely try this one for sure. I feel like this one was maybe a little bit of a higher throw than some of the others. I finally wore some Scentsy Sheer Leather. This one was great. I love this one. Don't be afraid of the name leather in there. I didn't smell any leather at all, to be honest. This one to me was like a straight manly cologne. Sexy man, has a really nice cologne on. I didn't get any leather out of here at all. I did pretty well. So it's been a while since I've worn Scentsy. So what I did is I put it on 2 cubes on my Ashland warmer, and it did great. Let's see. Also, so I did do a different review on Kay's Scented Melts. It's on my channel. I'll try to remember to insert a card if I can remember. I honestly, everything I show you I talked about in that video, but I'm just going to run through them real fast. Everything except for one thing I would reorder again for sure. Everything did well as far as scent throw and the scent appeal. I sound like Christy again. I'm sorry, scent appeal. That's totally, she says that all the time, but how much I liked the scent. So also too, I just wanted to say, sorry, I got kind of sidetracked. I wanted to say, can we all give Kay some prayers, please? Her daughter is in a very critical condition right now. If you want to know more, just go to her group and you can see some of the updates there. But just know that she needs prayers, a lot of them right now. And I have been constantly thinking about her and all that. So just, yeah, she's closed at the moment. So just, you know, if you're anxious to order from her or whatever, just give her some time, and I'm certain that she will reopen and be better than ever. So all of her stuff does really well for me. I am truly impressed with her stuff. In fact, I had a cart going when before all this happened with her daughter, and I just never hit checkout. So I have a list already going, but I would add all of these back to my list except for one, and I'll explain why. So mint chocolate chip was great. April fresh was great. Even these 1 ounce scent shots are amazingly strong if you warm them in the right area and the right warmer. You know, if you try to put like a little 1/3 or 1/5 of a chunk of a 1 ounce scent shot, you're probably not going to smell much. Danish butter cookies, definitely a repurchase. I have clothespins. I did repurchase this one already because I loved it that much. I thought it was a great laundry type of blend. Laundry sometimes can be tricky for me just because, you know, some of them have like a floral thing happening and I just can't do it. Okay, so I have another Danish butter cookies, another April fresh. I like that she offers the 1 ounce scent shots as well. It's a great way to try without without a lot of commitment. Strawberry milkshake, which smells like a fresh picked strawberry to me. You guys, if you have smelled this one, tell me if you think it smells like fresh picked strawberry or like a realistic strawberry. Because to me, there's artificial strawberry and there's a more real scented strawberry, if you guys know what I'm saying. Twilight, this was great. Black raspberry vanilla. This is the one I wouldn't repurchase. Just because it was my own fault. I don't love black raspberry vanilla like I thought I did anymore. I mean, it's okay, but for whatever reason, I'm just not feeling that scent anymore. Probably have some more in here that might be floating around, but maybe that was it. Okay. I've also started working on these pies. I have one pie and maybe a half there of Americana smoothie. I love this scent. This scent is so good. This is blackberry jam, butter cookie, monster cookie, and marshmallow smoothie. I went ahead and mixed this on its own. This one is a great performer, by the way. This one I did in like my bigger area on the 24 watts and also my 20 watt and in the kitchen, and it just threw really well. This is a really great, stronger scent. I also decided just to mix some Peeps cake in there just in effort to try to get through my mini melter bags. And Peeps cake, it did change Americana smoothie a little bit. I think I just like Americana smoothie by itself. Like, I don't think I'll mix Peeps cake again with it. Like, there was nothing wrong with it. It just made it a little bit sweeter, but I kind of like the unaltered state a little bit better. Whoops, crap. Tossing stuff all over the place. So, okay. So I also did another Empire Alchemy in Camp Awana. Toasted pine cones, tonka beans, cedar, marshmallows. Okay, I don't remember much about this one because I put it back in the bedroom and then like I bailed. I don't remember where I went or what happened, but I don't remember this scent at all. But I think I liked it, but I can't remember. I remember I was going to order it in the ready to ship restock, but then I had to like cut a bag out, so that one got cut. But I did like it. I just don't remember any of the scent notes, so sorry, that's not very helpful. I think I did like it. Like I said, I think I was going to order it from the ready to ship, and then I just had to cut a bag, and that was the one. Cute as a Button from Teddy Bees. This did amazing in my bathroom. This one went a long time too. I don't know the scent description. It's cute as a button. I feel like it's maybe like some sort of floral, like a sweet floral, like girly type scent. Let me see if I can smell it. I don't know. All I know is in my bathroom, it smelled amazing. Every time I went in the bathroom, I was like, this smells amazing. And I just let it go like most of the day, and it went on and on and on. I think I did just a little chunk of lemon curd in the bedroom. The dog had an accident or something, and it smelled really bad. So I had to bust some lemon curd out. I don't love lemon curd right now, so I'm just going to kind of like hang it back or whatever. I did use the Snuggle type for that Bananas Foster Rose Girls blend just to try something different. I've seen people mix banana in their laundry, and I was like, what the hell? Let's just go ahead and throw it in there. It was great. This Snuggle is a very strong one from Sugar and Spice. It can be mixed with a lot of things too, so if you have a Snuggle sitting around, mix it with some stuff. Really nice. Okay, 2 more things, and then that, oh no, a couple more things. Okay. So I also have Violet from VCS. This is, oh, I don't have a scent on here, but it's violets, or is it Parma violets or violets, and Nilla wafers, I believe, is the scent. So I have a butt ton of this. I have a lot. I love this scent. I love warming this scent like almost anytime I can be in the mood for this scent. I can burn myself out on it though, so I do have to be somewhat careful. Like, I can't warm it every night or anything. This one, I am not a floral lover, but for some reason this one just really speaks to me. I don't know why. If my nose ever revolts against this one, I'm gonna be mad. It's kind of like not powdery, but it is kind of powdery. And something about the Nilla wafers, the way it mixes in there, it's one that I would definitely try if you can handle like a little bit of floral. Like, I don't feel like it's overly floral. I don't feel like it's a grandma floral. Of course, some people might say maybe it is somewhat of a grandma floral because of that powdery note in there, but it's not overly powdery. I don't know. It's just one I think everyone should just at least try, like in a scent shot or maybe like a 4-pack or something small. So another, like some more of my favorites, things that kind of surprised me that I didn't think that I was gonna like necessarily like gravitate towards, was Rose Milk Minty from Empire Alchemy. So this is caramelized cotton candy, musk, fresh crushed rose, twisted peppermint, and whipped cream. This one I did a more thorough review on her Facebook page and also on my Instagram. So if you want to see it there, you can check it out. But this one would just really impress me. I don't know why. It did have a very strong like rose scent, and I thought, oh man, I don't know if I'm gonna love this. I'm not sure how I feel about it. It actually turned out to be pretty good. So, and then also I did Mint Menagerie, which is, dang, I meant to look up how to pronounce that. Anyways, it's that, rosemary, garden greens, and fresh mint. This one on warm really just exploded into like this really beautiful scent. Like everything started coming out of this one so well. It's herby, it's green, it's minty. Oh, it was just so good. I think I did a little bit of a review on my Instagram for that one as well, but I am kind of working through Empire Alchemy, and I will come back with a like better review of her company like as a whole. Okay, the last thing I have is Scentsy, and this is Cotton Blossom Tangerine. I put this in my diffuser sometimes at night. I was kind of impressed with this one. I have another one that I'm not as impressed with, and I'll talk about it later after I kind of review it a little bit more, but this one I really did like. This one was a really fresh, like you got the cotton and then the tangerine. I love like clean scents and fruity mix, so this one was a win for me. It wasn't overly strong or super strong, and I don't know how like real their oils are. Do you know what I mean? Like I don't know how, what am I trying to say? I don't know how pure their oils are. I don't know much about them, but this Cotton Blossom Tangerine was really nice. I enjoyed that in the kitchen, especially after like a heavy meal. So yeah, that is it. I think that is all of my warm stuff. I might have warmed some more stuff here and there, but I try to just set things aside as I think of them and that kind of thing. But yeah, hopefully, like, I don't think anything in this set was a dud. Everything that I thought was like more of a medium, I kind of pointed out, but everything else did great. Like I didn't have any problems with anything, or, you know, things that were just crap. So yeah, I think I would say this is a pretty good warm review, or, you know, warming week for me is what I'm trying to say. So yeah, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Always appreciate it. Bye, guys.